So hi Ventures, it's me Coco. For today's episode, we'll be doing a DIY lash lift. Got this product from Lazada for only 476 and 28 cents. And hindi lang naman siya for one usage lang kasi medyo marami yung laman ng product. I think for 5 ml yung mga product, then 7 ml for the glue. Actually, I've tried Lash Lift before. It usually costs 2,000 to 2,500 depending sa salon, and usually it lasts around 1 to 2 months. Na-try ko na rin dati yung lash extensions. However, maganda siya, pero in the long run kasi minsan nag-fall out na yung mga false eyelashes, then nasasama yung ating totoong lashes. So yung nangyari na yun sa akin, nakalbo yung lashes ko. Then tinry ko ulit patubungin yung lashes ko. Then ang ginagawa ko na is yung perm nga. I saw this one online. Lash Lift. So, yun yung product. So, here as you can see, we have the false lashes glue. Then, we have the perm. Second one is the fixation. Then, third is nutrition. Last but not least is the cleanser. You also have the clean tool, which is ganito itsura nyo. Clean tool. Yun yung pang brush off natin mamaya sa ating mga lashes. The last one, we have the lift pads. So for the lift pads, yun naman yung i-attach natin sa eyelids para dun kumabit yung lashes natin mamaya. So wala kasing provided dito na iPads. Wala din provided na plastic wrap, which is, kaya bumili tayo nito. Wala akong mahanap na iPad sa drugstore, so I bought tape na lang. Basta lang naman ma-protect yung eyes mo, the product na gagamitin natin. Para imbes na direct yung skin contact, dito siya mapupunta sa tape. We also have cotton. Also have the plastic wrap. Later mamaya pang gagato sa ating lash. So, let's get started! One, use the cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Lift pads, iba-iba kasing sizes to. So, yun yung small. Ito naman yung medium. So, ito yung medium 1. Have the medium 2, then the large. So, small. Tapos, pagka-apply mo dito sa kabilang side, itikit mo na. Parang yung mata ko na yung problema dito. Tayo dumikit. Ang titigas ng ulo na. Tayo yung dumikit. This is a fail one. Next is the Perm lotion. That's for 10 minutes. I'll be back. So, done na yung ating 10 minutes na timer. Step is yung fixation na yun. Try the fixation. So now we're done with 10 minutes. The cleanser. second is the nutrition. So, ito yung kanyang after. Sulit naman ang price. So, okay naman siya. Nag-lift naman din siya. So far, so good. So, ayan guys. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video for more upcoming videos. And that's it for today's video.
Hey Venturer, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for our next venture.